I knew I had something else in my mind, which was that you, along the way, you had 3 kids.
Yes.
So
I have 3 sons, Sean, Mace, and Judson. And they have succeeded in life, and they have children, and I have 5 grandchildren. So I'm pleased with that. We aren't a close family because I assume that's because I have boys. I don't know. I really don't know. But it has something to do with me, too. I was never the mom. I always had to make the living. Because Michael, when I separated, Michael realized that the law was on his side. He could take the children anytime he wanted to because I was a lesbian. And so he never gave me child support and always held that threat. So when the boys got big enough, the older boys got big enough, he wanted them. And I said that I couldn't give them to him. I only gave him 2 of them. I kept the younger one because it was heart-wrenching. And then I guess that's part of the reason I left Eureka Springs and bought this property and asked him, did he want to come down and work with NASA and help raise the boys down here? Therefore, I got the boys back.
okay, so that was a lot of territory we just covered there. Because what we need to go back to, and I'm going to move my